This is the lens that most bird photographers ignore. I took it with me to Florida and Iceland to prove them wrong. What if I tell you your next great bird photo won't come from a massive $15,000 telephoto, but from the most versatile lens you probably have? I'm talking about the Canon RF 70-200mm f2.8. I took it with the R5 on a punishing test, from the swamps of Everglades to the Puffin cliffs of Iceland, just to show you its 3 hidden advantages of bird photography that no one is talking about. Stick around, cause by the end you're gonna pack your gear completely differently. The first advantage: be fast, move freely. While everyone else is wrestling with the tripod and a giant lens, you are mobile and ready. Here at Sarasota, I was shooting handheld using the 5-axis stabilization of this lens. The f2.8 aperture isn't just for blur, but is for speed. It lets you keep your ISO low and your shutter speed high to freeze fast action, like these macros. The AF on the RF, with this lens, it's a total game changer for portraits. The eye detection just sticks, and you can trust it completely. The second advantage: it makes you see better shots, not just closer ones. You can't just zoom in from the mile away, but you have to think about the composition and the context. This shot of an ostrich tells a story about his habitat. And here is the secret: the R5's 45 megapixel sensor is your digital teleconverter. This shot of a large water bird stretching its wings in the Everglades is a massive crop. Look at the detail in the feathers. You are not losing the shot, but you are gaining more interesting frame. The third advantage: it shines when the light gets low and the action heats up. When the sun drops, the big, slow super telephotos struggle, but this lens, it thrives. The f2.8 gives you the creamy sunset bokeh while keeping your image clean. And don't let anyone tell you it can't track action. Case in a point: an F-16 fighter jet over my boat in Iceland. Handheld, one shot. If it can't lock on to a jet at 500 knots, which is 920 miles an hour, so it can handle an eagle in a flight with a speed of 150 miles an hour. And this is the moment that changed everything for me. Puffin Island in Iceland. At 200mm, a perfect portrait. But in 2 seconds, zoomed out to 70mm, a National Geographic scene. One lens, 2 world-class shots, no swaps. This is the ultimate travel photographer's advantage. So is the RF 70-200mm f2.8 is a replacement for a 600mm f4 for the serious wildlife photography? No. But is it the most powerful tool for adventurers, travel, and the opportunistic bird photographer? Definitely yes. It's the lens that guarantees you'll never miss a moment that you would have missed if your only option was the heavier super tele lens like the RF 400mm f2.8 or the 600mm f4 or the 200 to 800mm. So guys, if this test changed your perspective, please give it a like, subscribe, and please let me know what next would you like me to test. Thanks for watching and see you in the next.